everyone, it's Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and today we're going to make another cute, adorable card, and it's going to look something like this. And first we're going to need a card base, the Mint Macaron, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. You're going to need a scrap piece of Mint Macaron, scrap piece of Whisper White. Our DSP, we're going to be using the Bird Ballad Suite, and we need this to measure at 5 inches by 3 3/4. And then for the inside of the card, we're going to go with Whisper White, which is also 5 by 3 3/4. So we're going to set those two aside, as well as our card base. And we're going to start off using our Free as a Bird. We're going to be using this image here and this saying, and then Thanks for Being You is going to be used on the inside of the card. Set that aside. And we're also going to be using the oh goodness, I forgot the name of these, the stitched labels for cutting out our images. And then I've already got our stamps placed on our clear blocks. Let's get started. First thing we're going to need is we're going to stamp our saying actually on our Whisper White in Memento Black. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to take our bird, stamp that in the Memento Black as well. Perfect. All right. So on our scrap Whisper White, I am also going to stamp the inside of the card. Perfect. Get that stamping out of the way. Next, we're going to do a little bit of coloring. Now, with the Memento ink, it is perfect to use with our blends. The blends are my favorite. They're alcohol based, and when you use them with the Memento ink, it does not bleed. So today we're going to be using the light pumpkin pie. We're going to use the soft suede. We're using light and dark Mint Macaron. Okay, perfect. Now we are done doing our coloring. Look at that, how wonderful that blends together. Absolutely love it. All right, so now we are going to do a little bit of die cutting. With this particular one, we're going to use this second to the largest. We're going to use the largest on the Mint Macaron, and we're also going to use let's see here, this would be the third to the smallest on here as well. And then we're going to take this saying right, this second to the bottom, or smallest I should say, and use it on that saying as well. So I'll be back. Okay, and we are back. Here are our pieces. Ta-da! Look at that. Love this stitched edging. Just beautiful. Okay, now we are getting ready to assemble our quick and easy card. We just need a little bit of adhesive. I am using our snail adhesive. You can use your glue or any of your preferred type of, I'm going to put it this way, any of your preferred adhesive will work just fine. And then we're also going to put this little one right here on here as well, like so. And we're going to take our bone folder, just going to line these corners up, give it a nice good crease. Then we're going to take our dimensionals and pop this up on the front. Perfect. Love it. All right. So now for the inside, again, we're just going to use a little bit of adhesive. For the inside, I didn't pop it up. On dimensionals, we're just going to use adhesive and pop it down like so. Okay. And now we're going to add a little bit of embellishments. We are going to use the magnolia ribbon. I think this is so pretty. This complements the sweet so nicely. Let's see if I can get this on the first try. Look at that. Doing pretty good. Me and bows do not get along. That actually turned out pretty good. I impressed myself. This ribbon is really easy to tie in a bow. Take it from me. I do struggle with bows. Give this edge a little. Oh my God, that turned out so cute. Look at that. Okay, now we just need a couple glue dots to hold that down. Ta-da! And one more thing. Can't forget a little bling bling. This is our flower, faceted gems that are shaped as flowers. We are going to put, I think I'm going to put it, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to put it right there. Ta-da! Simple, quick, and easy. I hope you enjoyed this card as much as I did making it. It's so much fun. Look at that. Thanks for being you. Your friendship means the world to me. Thank you so much for joining me today as I created this quick and easy card. If you could hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. We also have a group on Facebook. It is the exclusive Stamping Before Anything Else group, and we would love to have you join us. We will be doing special offers to that exclusive group on a routine basis, so please jump over there and like us as well. We are on Instagram and Pinterest as well. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.